Are you studying entomology? Are you studying big insects like beetles and butterflies? No, I'm not studying beetles, not butterflies. I'm studying Hymenoptera. I'm studying small parasitic and phytophagous wasps. And today you are watching phytophagous wasps. They're not stinging, they're not real wasps. They're living inside plants. And these tiny insects, they're named Chalcid Wasps because they're belonging to Chalcidoidea superfamily of order Hymenoptera. They're pretty small, 3 mm size, with long ovipositor for laying eggs. They just hatched from seeds of rose plants. Yes, now this is springtime, 29th day of April 2024. I'm in Kyiv, Ukraine, in capital of Ukraine, in this difficult time. But despite it, plants are growing, insects are flying, and some phytophagous wasps are hatching and emerging despite this troubled time. And we are collecting them in the nature, observing them in laboratory, and studying them under the microscope. If you are interested to know about parasitic wasps, watch my channel. I show you different entomophagous insects. And these insects are named phytophagous because they are developing inside seeds of wild rose, the family Rosaceae, very common plant everywhere in a garden, in a park, in a courtyard. You may have wild rose plants. And inside seeds of these rose plants, these insects overwintered during winter time, and now it's springtime, it's time for their hatching. Now I have seen already yesterday first flowers of rose, of wild roses. So now this is a precisely time for hatching of them. So we will be flying around and penetrating with young fruits, young green fruits of rose with their ovipositor to lay eggs inside fruits of wild roses. And inside fruits, inside seeds, the young larvae will be developing during the whole summer season. And they will hatch only next springtime, like these wasps. How did I collect them? I collected dry rose fruits. Very common. You can buy them even on a stock market, in a flea market, in your city, in your village, in your pharmacy as well. Sometimes you can buy in a pharmacy, and if fruits have not been drying under very high temperature, just at room temperature, insects are alive inside seeds. So they will be hatching surprisingly, and many people, even in a market, can be surprised that these insects developing inside wild rose fruits. To be precise, inside the seeds. They will be flying around flowers, just waiting for new young green seeds, and later they will lay eggs inside young green fruits of wild rose. Sometimes it's named dog rose plants. Dog rose because species name Rosa rugosa, but many different species of rose can be infested. Not only Rosa rugosa, but others, family Rosaceae, in different parts of world, in Europe, Palearctics, in Asia, in Australia, in Africa, in America. So in different plant species of rose, there are different species are developing. So if you can collect them and hatch them, mount them, taking photographs, you can identify the species, and it's quite interesting to compare this material. If you have questions about these insects, ask me on my private email. And if you will have some additional material for comparison. We can exchange by material and can identify who in your area, who developing in your region. Because different plant may consist different species of this interesting phytophagous insect. Because differences will be in trophical relations, difference in biology and ecology, in development, depending from temperature, from ecological situation, from environment, and it will reflect in development of some morphological features, biological features of this species. So quite interesting to collect them, to study them, to identify them in your precisely area. Many other seed-feeding insects are also quite interesting for investigation. Of the same family Megastigmidae, this is very large family. Many species developing in different species of plants. So if you're collecting some seeds during summertime, during autumn time, keep them in a stock cages, in jars, and wait for winter time till spring, or maybe even in the middle of winter. Some insects can hatch, can emerge from seeds, and you can receive unique material of a family, Megastigmidae, or another family, for instance, Taurimidae, or another family, Eurytomidae. Many different families of Chalcid Wasps are developing inside seeds of different fruits. So far so good. Enjoy yourself. Welcome to my channel. And to be continued, I will show you some other material, some other species. From time to time, I will tell you stories about different species of Chalcid wasps, about entomophagus insects, about phytophagous insects, about parasitoids. And write your questions under this video. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, press like and write your comments. Visit my Patreon page or buy me coffee. Thank you for your attention.